I was playing with this door lock. I was going to lock it. Then I changed my mind and said, no, I'm not going to lock it. But I left the lock button on inside and then closed the door. Now I can't get in this door. I went on YouTube and looked at movies about using bump locks, etc. Paper clips. I'm not going to mess with that. It looked like time consuming and maybe didn't work. What I'm going to do is I've got this saw, this saw here, electric saw, and I am going to saw off this doorknob completely. I don't care how long it takes, and then just push the guts of that door with a screwdriver, push it out. I'm wearing a face shield because I do not want to get any metal shreds into my eyes. And I'm using gloves. I broke this blade. Fortunately, the saw came with 3 blades. I got 2 left. Put too much pressure on, but I see that I am cutting through the door. So I'll put a new blade on. Also, I don't care about this lock. I'll just buy another one. They're not that expensive. It's better than me sitting around waiting for a locksmith to come out for $200. I didn't get anywhere with a second blade. It bent that one. But now what I'm doing is I got a file, putting that in here and hitting it with this hammer to break it off. Hit this doorknob that was hanging like this, hit it with a hammer, and it came off. Now this is off. I've got access to the interior. Let's see how I'm going to push this through. Got to this shaft which went in here, just pulled it out with my fingers and a pair of pliers. That got me into there is a slot here. I can use a screwdriver, turn it, and I open the door. Now all I have to do is buy another cheap lock. Job finished. Didn't have to call a locksmith. If you don't have one of these saws I use to get the doorknob off, go to Walmart and buy one. This one happens to be super tough. They're cheap. The money you save by not calling a locksmith, you now have a saw that you can use for other purposes. This is the cheap lock I am going to replace it with. It's just like the one I had on there. I don't need it today. I only want it when I take a trip again. $8.87. Walmart. I can either order it online and pick it up in the store, or it says it's at aisle M26. I'll try aisle M26 first when I go to the store. If it's not there, I'll order it. But that's the cost of destroying the lock. Cheaper than calling a locksmith. And I will install it myself. It's very easy.